In today's video, I'm sharing my personal experiences with manifesting, as well as the signs from the universe that will show you that you are in alignment with your desires as well. What's up guys, welcome to another video. My name is Joeyanna and I help to inspire and motivate people to recognize what their subconscious mind already knows. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button as it does help my channel to be reached by more amazing people like you. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for doing so and I appreciate you. This is an exciting video because everyone is trying to manifest something or someone into their lives. Comment down below what you're trying to manifest into your life. This is a community of positivity, so we will all send positive vibes to help you in your endeavor. Don't think this works? Have you ever noticed that some of the largest lottery prizes are won by workplace groups? You know, a group of people who pool their money together to buy a lottery ticket. The collection of people are all visualizing the same number, thus enhancing the positive vibrational output toward those specific numbers. Then boom, lottery win. Let's first understand that your manifestation has already happened. It happened the second that you put the thought in your mind that you wanted something. Now you just need to align with it. You need to get on the vibrational frequency of that which you desire. How do you do that? You believe you already have it. When you can do this with consistency and no doubts that you already have it, the reality will be imminent. Now don't have the mindset that it's coming, have the mindset that you already have it. When you have the mindset that it's just coming, then your subconscious mind is constantly thinking it's coming eventually. You have to believe you already have it. It's yours. It's here. Believe it. You are already a millionaire. You already have that perfect relationship. You already have that dream house. Believe it. Take all the inspired actions that the universe sends you. Choose happiness in every moment and be excited that it's here. My first sign is the most common. As I get further in the list, the less common they are. Sign number 1, seeing angel numbers. Oh, how I love seeing angel numbers. Angel numbers are patterns and sequences of numbers. With nothing short of divine timing, these numbers are shown to you to encourage you to continue on your journey. If you search the internet, you're going to find numerous definitions for each sequence. I grabbed my angel number cheat sheet here from my Instagram page to give you an idea on their meanings. One thing that is consistent across all research is that the more duplicated the number, the more magnified the message. For example, if you're seeing 4444 is more powerful than seeing 44. Something else that should be noted here is that you're not supposed to be searching the environment for these clues. Your eyes will be guided to look just at the right moment to see these angel numbers on license plates, clocks, addresses, etc. Sign number 2, coincidences and synchronicities. Let me just start off by saying there is no such thing as coincidences. Coincidences are signs of thoughts or things that you are manifesting, whether by default or on purpose. If you've been pondering the thought of getting a Porsche, and you start seeing Porsches everywhere, that is not a coincidence. This is considered a synchronistic sign. This is a sign sent directly from the universe that your desires have been heard. The more that you see them, the more that you are aligning with your desires. Sign 3, inner ear ringing or tingling. This one will drive you crazy and it might have you calling your doctor thinking that there's something wrong with you. If you're in pain, then please call the doctor. Nothing about the law of attraction should involve pain. Now, the ringing will be a very subtle sound. Some people experience a low decibel sound. Me personally, I experience only a high decibel sound. It will come and go as your manifestation gets closer and closer. Sign number 4, so inexplicably happy. If you're at this point, you are living the high vibe life right now. People will ask you why you're so happy and where they can get some of your joy. You can tell them happiness comes from within, and they're just gonna roll their eyes at you. This is what the law of attraction is all about. Like attracts like. You want to raise your vibration, and if you're inexplicably happy, you're doing it. Things that used to bother you, like slow drivers, just don't bother you anymore. You know that everyone is on their own journey, and that's okay. You can only control you, and there's so much freedom in that. And freedom is what brings you joy. Sign number 5, body chills. This final sign is by far my favorite. When I see signs of my incoming manifestation, I just get shivers, the shivers, the chills. There have been days just before I've received a manifestation where I just get shivers constantly throughout the day. People think I have a cold or something, and I go like all day. I mean, not that frequently, but it's enough to be noticeable. I just smile because I know what they're all about. My subconscious mind is just revving me up. So at this point, you may be wondering, what have I manifested? I have manifested specific pets, my condo, my Jeep, and I get random checks all the time in the mail from the most unexpected sources. Guys, I kid you not, I got a check last fall for just over $200 from Toyota. I haven't had a Toyota in 5 years. I have no idea why I got that check. But I was grateful, and I said thank you to the universe, and here we are. I actually just received a check in the mail today from a bank settlement for overdraft fees. It was only $8.04, but you know what? It's $8.04 I didn't have yesterday, so I'm thankful for that. The law of attraction is real. The law of vibration is real. And manifesting your desires is very real. If you made it this far in the video, I thank you. I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, go ahead and click that like button and comment down below what your favorite sign is. For now, much love, good vibes, and choose to be happy. Peace. No. And roasting right now. No, that's not what I want to say either. And we will, no, we can, the left, and inner rear. I can't say this.